and welcome. Today we will be making donuts with custard filling. Here are the ingredients you will need. For the donuts, you will need 2 cups flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 1/2 cup milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. First, give your egg a little mix. Pour your sugar in your milk. Then, add the oil. Add your egg. Lastly, add your yeast. Give it a mix. Cover it. Then you need to let it rest for 10 minutes. Pour your flour and salt in a mixing bowl and get your yeast mixture. Now your yeast is ready. Make a well in your flour and pour the mixture in. If you are using a mixer, let it mix your dry and wet ingredients until it forms a dough. Let it knead for 5 to 8 minutes. If you are kneading it by hand, mix it until it forms a dough and knead for 10 minutes. When your dough is ready, prepare another bowl and brush it with an oil. Don't worry if it's a little wet. Always remember, wetter is better because that means your dough is soft. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for an hour. Don't forget to flour the place where you will be kneading and cutting your dough. Roll your dough like so. And cut it. Then form a round shape. Proof it for another 10 minutes so we will get a super soft bread. For your custard, you will need 1 cup milk, 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 cup sugar, 1 egg yolk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. In a low heat, pour in your milk, followed by your sugar, then stir it. Add your egg yolk and immediately mix. We don't want it to cook while it's not incorporated with the milk. Add your vanilla and your cornstarch. Continuously stir the custard mixture. Turn off the heat when bubbles appear. Fry it until it's golden brown. Poke a hole inside your donut. Pipe in your custard. And dust it with the powdered sugar. You can dip it halfway through a chocolate glaze, or leave it with just the powdered sugar. Your donut is ready to serve, and it is best served with coffee. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.